Subaru Takahashi, the youngest person to sail alone across the Pacific Ocean. Subaru Takahashi was only 14 years old when he set out on an amazing adventure. His goal was to sail from Tokyo to San Francisco alone. Subaru grew up near the sea and loved sailing. His parents thought he was old enough to sail alone and they helped him buy a boat. He left on July 22nd. At first, the trip was easy. Then, after 3 weeks, his engine broke down, so he didn't have any lights. He had to watch out for big ships at night because it was too dark to see his boat. Five days later, his radio stopped working. Subaru was really alone then, but he didn't give up. His progress was very slow, but he kept on sailing. He almost ran out of food, and he was not fast enough to catch fish. He put up with a hot sun and strong wind. On September 13th, Subaru sailed into San Francisco. He was the youngest person ever to sail alone across the Pacific Ocean. The end. Thank you for watching.